Hello, John Wolf here. Well, we've got another little project we're going to do. I've got a little mini bike that I want to be able to haul around. I've got a pickup, I could haul it in that, but I want to be able to haul it with my wife's Escape. So I'm going to build it's been done before, I'm sure, but I'm going to try to build a carrier to go in my Reese hitch on the back of my wife's Escape. And we're going to see how we can do it with this. A little bit of welding going to be going on, a little bit of cutting, a little bit of measuring. But we're up off the couch, that's the main thing. Okay, time to start. Now, the first tool in doing this process, which I'm going to be hitting things with hammers, hitting like a punch with a hammer. I'll be doing some drilling. So we're going to start with safety glasses. Safety first in everything. Yeah, you can get hurt at home, trust me. So I'm going to start out, I'm going to determine about where I want to put the hole, which I'll do that by laying a Reese hitch on it or a Reese hitch insert and make sure it's lined up, lay my punch in it, and I've got my starting point. Now this I hope works. This is a Ram drill. Didn't even know Ram made a drill. I thought they made Dodge trucks, or they were Dodge truck. Now this is my grandfather's drill. Let's see if it still works. Oh yeah. Okay, it's going to take me a little bit to drill this hole. I'll be back. Okay, as you can see, we've got a hole drilled in it. Let's see now if the Reese pin will fit. All the way through. Good fit. Okay. Do some measuring, I'll be back. Okay, I have measured and figured that from the hole, I want 32 inches total length. So I'll measure that out, and it's not going to be precise, so you know, I'm just building an old hillbilly hauler. That's all I'm doing. Don't have all the proper equipment to do all this with, but we'll get it done. With your help, I'll get it done. Here we go. Okay, we're going to get ready to do some cutting. You got your safety glasses on? I've got mine. And let's see, hopefully I can get this lined up where I can do this first cut. Okay, I'll be back when I get this cut. Okay. You never know what you can use an old bed rail for. So I never throw them away. Safety glasses on. Actually, it's time for a new cutting wheel. I'll be back when this is cut. Okay, the width of the hauler is going to be 60 inches. So, mark that out. Slap us a little bit of a straight line on it. And I'll be back when it's cut. Okay, we've got our two 60-inch rails cut. They're not cleaned up and ready yet. I haven't found center points on them. But basically, I'm going to lay them in like this. I can get things to stay where they need to be. I'll lay them on similar to this, weld them up, and put a little bracing on here. But I got to get my width for my wheels where it'll sit in there, and also where I can carry more than just the mini bike. We'll get it done. It'll just take us a little time. Okay, we have brought out the baby welder. I've lined this one up, squared it up, try to keep it as close to right as possible. Now we're going to throw a tack or two on. Okay, I believe that'll hold that part of it. I'm going to go and finish welding it up, and I'll be back. Okay, I've got the main bars welded on now. Next, I'm going to weld a couple of end caps on. This is just to give it stability. Maybe keep it from the mini bike from rolling off while it's on there unstrapped. Be back in a minute with some more. It'd help if I hook my ground wire. Cannot weld without a ground. Okay, I'm gonna finish welding this one up and place the other one. And be back with you when it's done. Okay. Okay. We've got the mini bike carrier built. And it is on the back of the Escape. Getting ready for another little project. And lo and behold, I don't know if you'll be able to see, but it has started snowing rather nicely again. It might mess my plans up. Oh well. Okay, I'm not I'm not a real welder. Okay, I just gob it together. But now there is the carrier. I'm going to be putting some padding on it to keep it from scratching the mini bike. But I haven't got the padding right now, but that's what I've got. You know, that's what we've been making. So, you know, basically just remember what I always say. Hey, get up off that couch. Get some grime under your fingernails. You can do it.